Today, we're looking at what's new in Manjaro 26.0, codenamed Onling, and this time I'm focusing entirely on the KDE Plasma edition. This release is not flashy in a loud way. It's quiet, confident, and very deliberate, the kind of update you feel more than you see. Let's start with the foundation, because that's where the biggest change lives. Manjaro 26 ships with the Linux 6.18 long-term support kernel. That matters more than most people realize. A newer LTS kernel means broader hardware support, better power management on laptops, and more mature drivers for modern GPUs and Wi-Fi chips. If you're running newer hardware, things tend to just work with less tweaking. If you're on older hardware, stability improves because the kernel has already been heavily tested upstream. Now let's talk about the desktop itself. The KDE edition comes with KDE Plasma 6.5, and this is where the experience starts to feel distinctly modern. Animations are smoother, window movement feels more natural, and the overall desktop has a calmer rhythm to it. Nothing jumps at you, but everything feels more refined. One of the most important changes here is that Wayland is now the default session. This is a big moment for KDE users. Wayland replaces the older X11 display system, and while that sounds technical, the real-world effect is simpler. Better multi-monitor behavior, more consistent scaling on high-resolution displays, improved security around screen capture and input handling. For most users, Wayland just fades into the background and lets the desktop behave the way you always wanted it to. Theme handling in Plasma 6.5 also gets smarter. Manjaro now supports automatic light and dark theme switching based on time of day, and this includes wallpapers as well. In the morning, your desktop can gently shift to a brighter look. In the evening, it transitions into dark mode without you touching a single setting. It sounds small, but over weeks of daily use, this kind of automation reduces friction. Your system adapts to you instead of asking for constant attention. Permissions management is another area that quietly improves. Instead of permissions being scattered or tied only to Flatpak applications, Plasma now offers a centralized application permissions interface. From one place, you can see which apps can capture your screen, access remote desktop features, or interact with other sensitive system components. This is one of those changes you might not notice on day one, but when you do need it, it's exactly where you expect it to be. Remote desktop functionality itself has also matured. Clipboard sharing is more reliable, connection handling is smoother, and authentication feels less fragile than before. If you ever access your Manjaro machine remotely or help someone troubleshoot over a network, these improvements make a real difference. Another small but practical addition is the ability to hibernate directly from the login screen. This is especially useful on laptops. You can shut the lid, hibernate, and resume later without worrying about battery drain or losing your session. Again, not flashy, just sensible. Underneath the desktop, Manjaro 26 updates the entire KDE application stack as well. File management feels faster and more responsive. System settings load quicker and are better organized. Terminal behavior is more consistent under Wayland. None of this screams for attention, but together it creates a desktop that feels cohesive rather than stitched together. It's also worth zooming out for a moment. Even though this video is about KDE Plasma, Manjaro 26 as a whole represents a careful alignment with where Linux desktops are heading. Modern display protocols, stronger defaults, less manual tweaking required for everyday use. Manjaro continues to sit in that sweet spot between bleeding-edge Arch and conservative long-term distributions. What really defines this release is confidence. Manjaro 26 doesn't try to impress with radical redesigns or disruptive changes. Instead, it polishes what already works. It reduces friction. It respects your time. If you're upgrading from an older Manjaro KDE installation, the transition feels natural. If you're coming from Windows or another Linux desktop, this is one of the smoothest KDE experiences you can land on today. Manjaro 26 with KDE Plasma 6.5 feels like a system that's grown up. quietly powerful, modern without being experimental, and comfortable enough to disappear once you get to work. That's the kind of Linux desktop many people have been waiting for.